What's up, guys? It's George, and I just wanted to share a video for one of my friends who was asking me about one of the quickest and simplest ways to start making money strictly using, just your computer, just your laptop, without needing a car, without needing to, buy and sell anything, flip anything, without having to do sales or anything like that. And really, what I said in my answer to that is YouTube, doing YouTube. And so that's why in this video I want to share about how I make money with YouTube. I think it's an awesome way to be able to make passive income. And the nice thing about YouTube, I'm going to share how I make money with YouTube, but the nice thing about doing videos with YouTube is that you can build a business, a brand right from home or just from your laptop. You don't need a car. You don't need to buy and sell anything. You don't need to flip anything. You don't need to have any previous experience, a college degree, any kind of certifications, anything like that. You just have to start doing videos. And as you do videos, you'll start to, and it really almost doesn't even matter what it's on. I mean, you can do videos on anything from video games to, cats or whatever, business tips or just weird videos, and people will start to subscribe to your channel, build a following, build a brand. And from there, that opened up a lot of avenues, a lot of different ways, opportunities to make money. So this is how I make money with YouTube. I actually have 5 YouTube channels, for those of you that don't know that, and getting ready to start my 6th YouTube channel. This channel right here, believe it or not, is actually my smallest channel out of all my channels. And so how I make money with YouTube is the number one most profitable way for me is through affiliating products, services, and courses. That's what you'll notice in almost every video that I do. I have either products, services, or courses that I recommend, and there's links in there. Those are affiliate links. And so, out of all my hundreds and hundreds of videos that I have throughout YouTube and my different channels, my videos are, between all my different channels, there's pretty much someone always watching, one of my videos. And so the chances of someone clicking on one of those links, it all comes down to a numbers game. If I get, so many thousands of views, then a small percentage of those will look at the description, and a small percentage of those will click on the links, and then a small percentage of those will actually follow through and buy it. And when someone buys a product, service, or course that I recommend, then I get compensated. So that's called affiliate income. That's the number one way that I make money through YouTube. Just today alone, I made, this morning when I was checking, I made $120 last night while I was sleeping. I haven't checked, it's nighttime now, so I'm very well have made more money throughout the day. So the other way that the second most profitable way that I make money through YouTube is through ads, AdSense. So whenever someone watches the video, I monetize, all my channels that are eligible for the monetization. And so anytime someone watches my videos, I get, small, very small, but it's residual income. That's passive income. So I get paid for that, monetization. I also get paid through coaching. I coach people, especially on this channel. This is I coach quite a few people through this channel. I have one other channel as well that I coach a lot of people for weight loss on that channel. This channel is mainly for business, but I have coaching clients. I work with people one-on-one. And so those are really the top 3 most profitable ways that I make money through YouTube. There's other weird ways that I make money through YouTube, just through different opportunities that have presented themselves. For example, I've gotten hired quite a few times to do voiceovers, which is crazy. I always thought I had a weird voice, but I've been paid many times to do voiceovers using my voice. And then other various different opportunities have arisen for business opportunities people have connected with through YouTube. So it's opened up a lot of different alternative avenues, opportunities for income, I should say, just because of the fact that I'm putting myself out there, and so many people, my videos have been seen millions of times, and so that's exposure to a lot of people. And you got to remember, it's a numbers game, so a small percentage of the people really resonated and connected with me, and for whatever reason decided to reach out to me to present some sort of opportunity to me. So, but there's you can make a lot of money through YouTube. I'd say the best way that you can make money through YouTube is not necessarily through the AdSense, through getting views, because you're getting, if you really want to make like a full-time income just off the views, then you got to be getting like millions millions of views on a daily basis. But you can make a full-time income and a lot of money just through affiliates. Like I was saying, through recommending products, courses, services, whether it's supplements or courses or services, and becoming an affiliate for all these different things that you recommend. Put links in the description of your videos, and then when your fans or people that view your video click on that link and they buy the product, service, situation, then you make money, and you can make a lot of money, a lot more than you can through the views on YouTube. And then like I said, there's other ways as well through coaching. There's other things that I haven't tapped into yet, but I'm seeing now people on YouTube are they have t-shirts they're selling that they're like linked to their channel. So I've noticed that now when I'm watching someone's video, I'll see like t-shirts below, their own custom t-shirts, and I can buy it. So that's something I'll have to explore and to see if it's worth it. I know that even YouTube has a paid, you could become like a paid subscriber to get like secret videos or private videos. So maybe that's something down the road I'll do, have like a private video membership section. So so like I was saying before, branding on YouTube opens up a lot of different avenues, because once you have that following on YouTube, then you have that following. So it's like you can come out with new products, services, launch a book, and immediately you have a huge base of people that are more likely to purchase whatever you recommend because they're already following you. So that's why so to answer my friend's question, and to answer to any of you that are looking for a way to start making money from home, you don't have I know some of you guys comment on my channel, you got no money to invest in the courses, you don't got cars or whatever. Well, you can start doing YouTube videos. I'm making this video right now using my cell phone. 99% of the videos on my channels have all been made just using my cell phone. No special equipment, no camera. A lot of my videos don't even have music in the background, no special editing. I mean, if you look at this channel here, and this channel is growing every day by more subscribers. Most of my videos don't have any video editing. They don't have any music in them. I don't even use thumbnails in the videos on this channel. I will start stepping my game up on this channel, but even without doing any of that, I still get a good amount of business on this channel, and my channel is growing every single day. So this is something you can start doing now. You can start doing videos with your cell phone. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overanalyze it. Don't be worried about what anybody thinks. Just start doing videos and just have the mindset that you'll get better with every single video. And just say, hey, you know what? This video is either gonna go viral or it was practice. That's pretty much what I say in every video. It's either gonna go viral or it was just practice. Maybe no one will watch this and it'll be just me watching this. That's cool. But maybe it'll go viral. Either way, either went viral or it was practice, And so just have that mindset and enjoy the process. Just have fun with it. You'll get better at speaking. You'll get better at the whole process. And while you're learning, this is kind of like a self-improvement. Doing videos and building a YouTube channel, it's kind of like a self-improvement course with a compensation plan attached. Like as you're growing and as you're learning, you'll start making money, getting paid for ads. People start buying products, services you recommend, start making money. Maybe you can start coaching people. So yeah, guys. So till next time, have a great day, great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.